Alrighty guys, so we're here on Icebreaker, about to take our very first ride on it, and man, I can't wait for this moment. It's literally been years in the making. We knew about the layout almost 3 years ago, and of course stuff happened that delayed the ride and whatnot, but now's the time. We're actually getting a chance to do that. It's the first new ride opening of the year, and we're ready for Icebreaker.
Yeah, we've been watching from the sidelines and wanting to ride this ride, so I'm happy we're going to be able to do it today.
Yeah. It's time, baby. Let's go.
Woo.
All right, here we go. We're actually doing this. And it's a cool and crisp day.
Very.
So it's kind of fitting that we would ride it in this kind of weather.
Yeah, right. It's
Icy.
icy. Woo.
This is actually about to happen. Woo!
Alright.
Woo! A little hill, pick up some speed. Another little airtime, you know? Oh, that's awesome. Back we go. Third launch. Woo! Bam, this bike. Whoa, good airtime. Wow. Woo! Woo! Top hat. Woo! Up and over. Woo! Oh, good airtime. We're out of the seat a lot. More floating airtime all over. Woo! All the way to the very end. That is a fun ride.
Really fun.
You know, it may not be the biggest, tallest, baddest thing on the planet, but it's a good ride. It's solid. Kids are gonna love it. I love it.
No,
I think it's a
really
great
fun.
fit for this park.
Yeah.
You know, you have your big coasters that are 54 inches. They needed something that was going to bridge the gap. This ride does it right here.
Yeah, and I like it because it's not too, like, most people are scared of the big hill, you know, going up there, but this is really nice because they got that cool launch, and that's what I like. I love the launch coasters.
Like I said, we were out of the seat more than we were in it.
Yeah,
That's
exactly,
awesome.
yeah.
So, good job, SeaWorld.
Yeah.